Hi everybody! Now I show you how to use corrugated conduit. Here I have a split corrugated conduit, an installation tool, and a wire harness on the desk. First, let's open the clamp tool and put the wire harness inside. Then insert the cups inside the conduit. Last step, hold one end and slip over the tool inside the conduit smoothly to the other end. Now we finish the installation. The cable is more tightness and has better abrasion resistance. Meanwhile, the split version is easy for repair and maintenance.